Hey everybody, today we're going to show you how to draw a perfect cube, a 3D cube taking the shape of vertical and horizontal lines. And we're actually going to build upon a lesson we did just recently on perspective and using a reference point or a point of perspective to draw lines in perspective. So we're going to use the same theory from that video and draw a perfect cube. So what I would say is you definitely need a ruler and any pencil of your choice to get things started. So you typically want to have a cube that looks like this, right? But the question is, what are the proportions here? How do we get those lines going back? How do you avoid that cube looking all wonky in some of these lines over here? So all you have to do is remember that when you use your ruler, you have to decide how wide your cube is going to be. In this case, we'll say 4 inches. So what we'll do is we'll draw a nice straight line across. And of course, we're going to draw a straight line up that's also 4 inches. Okay, we'll do the same over here. And of course, at the top, we'll do another one. So what you're looking at here is a perfect square, but how do we get those lines going back? What we typically want to do to get this looking like a nice cube, if you will, is pick a reference point far back. So typically what we want to do is pick maybe something around here. We'll just aimlessly pick something in the top right corner. You always want to make sure that from your reference point, your line goes to each of these 3 corners. So you'll start over here. We'll do that again. And we'll do that again over here. Always start from here and go away to the reference point. And always draw harder over here and go lighter as you go away. So it should be lighter over here. We're going to be erasing that as well. So the other last little trick is deciding at what point to draw your vertical line and your horizontal line for the back part of the cube. There's no perfect trick to this. What you really want to do is pick a line and go straight up from here to here. And then do the same with the horizontal. For that horizontal line, you want to continue that across. So in this case, you have horizontal lines, vertical lines, and all lines going back to your perspective point over there. Okay? If I were to just finish this off, I might want to just erase. And just erase this one over here. You could also clean up the cube by just drawing any lines just a little harder than you wanted them to be. And really what you're left with is a really nice, clean, straight cube in which your lines really don't go out of whack and really don't confuse the eye and look a little wonky. So in this case here, we're looking at, it could be a building, it could be a cube, it could be a box, it could be anything really, but you're looking at the cube from an angle where you do see some of the side and you do see some of it straight on. So yeah, what you can really do is practice that and try with different perspective points. You might also try a perspective point over here, over here, over here, in different places. So try that out, give it a try, simple quick tips, and let us know how it went for you. Thank you.